Hey guys, I'm a graphic designer and I just moved into this really small office and it is a total disaster. As you can see, there's wires everywhere. It does not look nice. I got this kitchen table to act as a desk. Unfortunately, it doesn't work well as a desk. I'm gonna go to WIreCare.com. I'm gonna buy a few things to clean up this mess. I'll show you how I did it. All right, I'm gonna need one of these, a pack of these 18-inch Velcro straps, a pack of 8-inch Velcro straps, 10 feet of F6 woven, a pack of these Riptide minis. I'll get one of these for some extra power. And I'll get one of these too. And most importantly, I need to get this kit and a pack of these grommets. I'm gonna check out now. All of this together will help hide the mess of cables and reduce some of my clutter. WireCare does ship pretty fast, so I should see these real soon. Okay, I got my package from WireCare, so let's clean off this desk. And done. First thing I'm going to tackle, the grommets. This is going to allow all the cables to fall underneath the table and reduce the surface clutter and get everything under the desk. Tools needed for this: drill, tape measure, hole saw, and I suggest using tape, which can help reduce splintering when you're cutting through the surface of the wood. I actually liked my current setup, but I do want to keep all the holes symmetrical to kind of future-proof this so that it can be used again and again. I plan on putting a grommet here, one about here, and another one over here. And that should clean it up nice. Let's get to it. Okay, I have all my grommet spots marked out. Now it's time to drill. Holes are in. 3 good clean holes. All of them ready to accept my new grommets. Let's go ahead and put those in. Now each of these grommets actually comes with an easy access hole for your wires and cables. You can drop those out underneath your desk. The center actually comes out too, so if you have a gang of cables that need to run through, you can just remove that. Equipment is back on the desk. As you can see, I ran all my cords now underneath the desk. I'm sure you can agree that the top now looks much, much better, but it's time to get these wires and cables up off the floor. I got this cable management kit. It's made by WireRun. It comes with a 15-foot surge protector, and it also comes with this basket. Essentially what I'll be doing is taking this and I'll be mounting it under the desk so that I can get all of those cords up inside of there and out of sight, making it look nice and tidy. That surge protector comes with a 15-foot cord, so I'll be putting it in that outlet and then I'll be running it down the floor and across so I have power supplied where I need it. For this project, you're going to be needing a drill. Alright, the basket is in. Now I gotta take those wires and shove them all up inside of there. These guys in there. Some of this I'll actually be bundling together. I'll be using some Velcro straps to do that. I'll also be using those Velcro straps to take some of this surge protector up the legs of this table so that they're out of view, so that you don't have to look at them. And then I'll also be dressing up some of these cables that I have coming out with some of this F6 woven. The nice thing about using F6 is that it's a split sleeving. So you can just slide everything in through the side here, but then it's not permanent. If you need to add more wires, you can. If you need to take some out, you can, without having to take the whole entire sleeving off. But it'll get rid of that look of multiple cables, so it'll clean the whole thing up and make it look nice and tidy. One of the things that I picked up is this Manta power outlet. It's meant to go on the edge of your desk. It's made by WIreCare. One of the things that's kind of cool about it is it comes with this bracket. Now, you can mount the outlet to this bracket and then mount the bracket to the side of your desk. And it's got a little phone holder on top. I actually don't need that, but it also comes with these little side brackets as well. So I'm going to mount these on here, and then the plan is I want to put the power on the side of my desk so that I have power at hand's reach. For this project, you're going to need a drill, mostly for screws. I'm actually going to need a saw because I have to modify the desk a little bit. And there you have it. Now I have power right where I need it, whenever I need it. Cables are gone. They're tucked up safely underneath, no longer an eyesore. Last thing we need to handle is this cable that I have running across the floor. I'm going to handle that with this rubber duct. It's just a drop over. We'll put the cable through the channel and then lay this flat on the floor, which will reduce tripping hazards and then give it the final touch. Before, after. All right, well, this job is completed. As you can see, all the wires and cables are gone from the top, underneath is cleaned up, and the tripping hazards are removed. I hope you learned something from this video, or maybe it gave you some ideas on how you can clean up your own desk.